Some more breaking news that's coming in the Pune Porsche murder case. Days after the Pune administration sealed the bar owned by the accused teen's grandfather in the scenic town of Mahabaleshwar for purportedly breaching regulations, the administration has now rolled bulldozers on the bar. The administration has in fact bulldozed the bar, saying that it was built on a government-owned land. Remember, the bar came under the scanner after the 17-year-old mowed down two techies on roads of Pune with his Porsche on the 19th of May and tried to run away from the crime scene. Let me go across to my colleague Shweta for more on this. Shweta, a bulldozer now being run over the bar, citing the reason that this was made on government-owned land. Raises the question, of course, why wasn't this noticed earlier, before this crime had happened?
Well, that's absolutely right. In fact, Shreya, what we are understanding through our sources is that more trouble is mounting for the Agarwal family. And here what we are given to understand is that in Mahabaleshwar, remember it's a well-known hill station in Maharashtra, the family allegedly owned the property on the hill station, which is named as Mahabaleshwar Parsi Gymkhana. That has been raised by the government, citing various irregularities on the property note. Now, as we understand that the property is of 10 acre of land, and this was initially given to the Parsi Trust by the state government for residential purposes. But later on, what we understand is that in board of members, first Vishal Agarwal's name came, then Shreya Agarwal, Shivani Agarwal. So likewise, more names were added of the Agarwal family in the board. And later on, they constructed the entire resort on the residential area as per government rule. This was violating the state government regulations. What we are also given to understand is that the hotel was in fact, the property was in fact given to Parsi Trust. And here what we see that the Gymkhana was made into a resort with several altercations which they had done, and this was attached to a very known five-star property. And after this, what we also understand is that the property was known as Mahabaleshwar Parsi Gymkhana, as I've mentioned. That was pretty well known there. But however, the district administration has taken strict action over the concern arising. Point number one, we see that there was a brazen violation of the State Rules and Regulation Act. While the residential property, it was the residential property, but it was made for commercial purpose. Now you ask me a very important question, that why the action has been so delayed, why after the probe, in fact police probe, this has been done. Administration is yet to react on that, but yes, the trouble has mounted for the Agarwal family.